Natalie here with another video, and today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a tour of my room in my sorority house. You guys can see just a little bit in the back. I literally love this room. We just moved in for spring semester 2021. It is my sophomore year. I'm so excited for this video. I am obsessed with our room. It's not completely finished yet, so we're going to keep adding more stuff, but I just wanted to show you guys what my room looked like and how I'm organizing things if you wanted to see it. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. You can also check out all my other videos. I make a lot of sorority stuff and just fun videos about my life. I like documenting college on here. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna get into the room tour. And next week I'm gonna have a sorority house tour. Don't forget to subscribe so that you guys can be notified whenever my sorority house tour comes up. All right, let's get right into the video. So this is the door to our room. We are in room 10 and we have Valentine's Day decoration already. So this is when you walk in the door. This is our cutie little rooms. There is 3 of us in this room, so I'm just gonna give you the lowdown, but I'm not gonna go through all of their stuff because I don't want to invade their privacy, but I'm gonna show you guys how I organized all my things. So we have a little mini fridge here, and you know, just like the basic things. I have my muscle milk, Celsius. I'm the one that's using this fridge like the most. I have my bread, my coconut yogurt, and then I use maple syrup to sweeten my yogurt. So basically this is all my stuff, and then I don't drink Red Bull and all that stuff, but apples, you know, the essentials, and our cute little trash can. So this is our fridge. And then on top, just some cute little bagel seasoning, tickets for something that we're going to, and then this is our little bookshelf. I love it. We still need to get some stuff to put up there, and we don't have anything in these spots yet, so we definitely are trying to figure out what to do for those, but this is how I organized it. We just have all of our books and stuff that we read. So I just got done reading Loving Your Husband Before You Even Have One, and then I'm on this book right now, doing that one next. And then if you guys wanted to know, I start my mornings every day with this right now. It's 40 days. I'm on day 4, I'm pretty sure. And then this is my Bible, and then this is Caitlin and Elizabeth. But yeah, just the essentials, you know, Polaroids to try to keep memories and take pictures. That's me and my little. She's from my Big Little video if you guys want to go watch that. So I just have my little jewelry thing here, my sunnies, and I just keep normal stuff that I use in there, my water bottle, and then my essential oil diffuser I literally love so much. This scent is literally incredible. It's called Clean the Air. It is peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, hyssop oil, don't know what that is, and rosemary oil, and I literally love it. I got this diffuser from Amazon. I love it. I love that it changes colors. It has different settings, like 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, and you can just leave it on, and then there's different like color settings too. I just have it in the one that circles around right now. And this is my mood board from the mood board that I created for New Year's. If you guys want to go check out that video on how I created this, click on the link in the top right. Yeah, now let's get to my bed, and then I'll get to my drawers and how I'm organizing and my closet and everything. But my bed is basically just basic. I don't know, I like very basic colors, so I got this comforter from Target, and then just all of the cute little pillows and all the things. That's how I decorate it. I have my little calendar up there to stay on top of what I'm doing, and then I made a little picture wall here, like the one that I have back in my room because I love it so much. So I just did it above my bed to kind of make a little headboard, and so that it didn't look so plain. If you guys want to know like how I did it, it's super easy. You just like put painter's tape on the back. It won't take off the paint. Okay, now getting to the dresser. So this is my drawer right here, and I just have like all my shorts here and my pajamas up here. This is my extra bed sheet, my jewelry in here, and then this is like my nighttime stuff. I have all my moisturizers and things. Doesn't look very organized, my glasses case. And then my next drawer is here, and I just have all my leggings here. I'm doing laundry right now, so it's not completely full, but I have my leggings here, and then all my sweats in here. And then this drawer is our little goodies and snack drawer. You know, just the essentials that we need in everyday life. If you guys have Trader Joe's, this granola I literally love. I have the peanut butter one and the almond butter one. Oh, so good. So yeah, this is just our little snackies so that like on the weekends in the sorority house we don't get food. And then those are not my drawers down there, so I'm not going to show you guys those, but I'll show you guys my bed drawers. So I'm still trying to figure out what to put in these little cubbies because I don't need to put my shoes there. I have a place for my shoes, but right there I just have my vitamins, and then in this drawer I just have like my socks, my bras, and my underwear, and then just like masks and like stuff like that, girl stuff. And then this drawer I have some t-shirts, all my t-shirts rolled up, and then my workout tops or any any tank tops or anything that I just didn't really feel like I needed to hang, more like layering stuff. Like this isn't my like black turtleneck, and this is my fleece like shirt for like if it's just cold outside. So that's what I have in there. And then literally there's nothing in here. We had this in our old room and we used to keep our food and stuff in here, and we took it all out, so there's not really much to put in there right now, but I just keep my blanket right there. We're still trying to figure out what to do with this space. But now time for my little closet. So I think our closets are really cool. There's so much space in them, and so this is mine. Ta-da! So I just have basically my jackets and tops and stuff up here, like just bulkier things that I couldn't just fold. I literally have never underpacked in my entire life. I've never underpacked. I have so many clothes back at home. And so coming back to college, I thought this closet was way smaller than our old closet. So I literally brought nothing, and I expected to like fold everything, you know? Well, I get to go home and bring a lot more stuff back, thankfully, but yeah. So this is my closet. Just have some extra hangers for if like I'm gonna get some new clothes, and then, you know, jackets, sweatshirts, things that are bulkier. And then I have all my nice tops on this one little hanger thing because, I mean, I don't really like dress up that much. And then down here is like our little pants sections, just jeans and normal stuff. And then in my little pink bag right there, I just have all my recording and filming stuff. My dirty clothes bin, and then that's my school backpack. And then I got this little hanger, I put my robe on it, and then obviously my campus rep yoga bag, my purse, and my keys. And then in here is the part that I literally love, and it changed my life. Here I just keep like my towel and my hair wrap, and then right there I'm just hanging up like my tanning mitt and my masks right now. I have my bulkier shoes up there for the winter time, so my rain boots, my cowgirl boots, Doc Martens, and my Uggs. And then here I just have like all my accessories. So I have my gloves and the things that'll keep me warm, and then, you know, my Carhartt hats or my ball caps right there. And then this bin I just have organized with like kind of miscellaneous stuff. So these I'm gonna put down, like once we figure out that gray dresser, I'm gonna put down for my chargers and everything. And then I just have, you know, my Tide Pods. Here's all my film for my camera, and then, you know, my dryer sheets, my steamer, that's essential, and then some cards just for some fun games, and then just some extra decorating stuff that we haven't used yet. And then that's just a shirt that I'm gonna return to somebody. But then this is all of my hair stuff, so, and my makeup. So I have my makeup back here, and then inside here is just lotions or just like anything that I use for my hair. Like it doesn't, I mean, it looks kind of crazy right now, it doesn't look organized, but that's where I keep it all in here, and it's just so convenient because it's like all in one central place. And then down here I just have my shoe bin. Like, again, this does not look very organized, but I basically just use like the same shoes every day. Like these are my like lifting shoes, and then those are my running shoes. Yeah, fun. That's my closet. Oh, and up here we have these decorations. We want to get more to put up there just to like fill it. And then this is Elizabeth's bed, super cute. This is Caitlin's bed, again, adorable, love. And then this is just their side of the room. I'm just gonna show you guys like, yeah, their stuff. And we're getting a desk chair actually for this. We just had these in our old room, and so we just put them there like for the time being. But we're gonna get an actual desk chair so that we can utilize the space better. There's literally nothing in the drawer. It's just like miscellaneous stuff and books. Like this is my book drawer. Yeah, and tape, the tape that I use for the pictures. Pretty lame. This is my planner and my Mac. My case has literally shattered, but my Mac's still okay. I don't get it, but this is my room. I literally love it, and I'm just so happy with it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so glad that I got to film this video and just document this room. I love living in this house with all these girls, and I want to show you guys my sorority house tour. So if you guys want to see that video, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching. I literally love this room, and I know a lot of people always want to know what sorority house rooms look like, so yeah, there you go. I am a Gamma Phi Beta at Oklahoma State, if you guys were wondering. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.